I have a problem with condensation in salad crisper/veg drawer of my new Hotpoint fridge freezer. The veg go moldy and I have had to throw stuff away.
I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods plus years and currently work well, no manufacturer. Can you post the model number please? Also, is the temperature okay inside the fridge still? Regards.
It's a Hotpoint FSFL58W purchased November 16, 2014. The temperature is set on medium setting, seems okay, possibly a bit cold near the back. Daniel, I don't know if my reply came through. It is not showing in the stream. It is a Hotpoint FSFL58W. Temperature dial is set on medium. Seems generally okay, although stuff near the back can get a bit too cold.
Okay, if it keeps getting water under there and the salad is going off, then you need to check the drain hole. Empty the bottom half of the fridge and look at the back wall, and towards the bottom you will see the drain channel. It will have a hole in there. It may even have a green plug in there. Check this isn't blocked up, stopping the water from draining out and causing it to leak water under there. Then test it by pouring water in there and make sure it drains away fine. Try that and see what happens and let me know how it goes. Regards.
I can see the hole. It has a plastic blue pin type thing that you can take in and out, although it is not a plug. Water seems to drain okay out of that.
Okay, if you pull out the salad drawer, is there always water under there? Also, just check nothing is touching the back wall, as if it is, then when it defrosts the water spills onto the shelves instead, or running down the back to the drain hole, so can cause this fault as well.
Thanks. I will try making sure nothing is touching back wall of fridge and see how that goes. I guess putting high water content veg like cucumbers, tomatoes, courgettes, in salad box is also going to create condensation within the box where the water has nowhere to go. Bad design maybe?
I'm afraid putting high water content food in there does. I'm afraid. As you say, it's a bad design.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.